What up, what up? It's your boy Money Mitch 495. Today, I'm going to hit y'all with another review. Another dope sneaker.
I can't find like the girl that goes with the water set.
My son can't find something that goes with the water set.
What? Did you say?
I'm shooting a video.
Okay.
I'm doing a review. Say what's up.
What's up?
Alright.
Hi.
We're doing a review of the, what is this? What are you doing? What you doing to the camera? Can't see. What's that? What's that?
I'm doing peace. Yeah, I'm doing peace out.
He's going to do his reviews pretty soon. Check him out, Kingston's Reviews. But today, we're reviewing the Royal Bred Toe Jordan 1s. As you've seen, I got them. So all my followers on the Sneakers app.
Hell yeah. And I'm drinking a smoothie. I'm drinking,
He's drinking a smoothie.
And
There you go.
And this is our sneaker.
Yeah, your hands is wet. Watch out.
And I'm playing before.
Royal Blue, excuse me.
And the water table.
Jordan 1. As always, these are fire. Took a while to get here because of the quarantine. I mean, because of the pandemic, excuse me. I ain't in no quarantine, sorry. At Nike, they were quarantining, they had shut it down because of the pandemic, because somebody had caught the corona. So yeah, these took a while to get here, damn near a whole month. But here they go. They got come with the blue laces. Ooh. Even the white laces would be crazy. But they come with the black and the blue. Yeah, I don't think they come with any more. Royal Blue. Wish I could keep them. They are my size. But somebody wanted them more than me. So check me out at Money Mitch 495. Y'all know the drill. Facebook, Instagram. Subscribe. Hopefully I get a cut soon. See what it is. Looking crazy. Check me out. Much love to everybody showing love. Also check me out on Poshmark and Mercari. Hopefully, you know, I'm able to see y'all. But until then, stay 6 feet away from me. Matter of fact, 60. 50. Fall back. Give me 50 feet. Peace from me and Kingston.